So I'm going to clean this up now. I'm not using this to make it shiny. I'm using it because this needs to be clean, because if you don't remove this embedded contaminants, one day it'll be peeling and eroding, okay? So when I use this, I don't use it like a wax because there's no wax in it. What I do instead is I put it on like this, okay, and I just clean. This is really, really simple to use. There's no wax in it. You just clean the same spot until it clears up. It cleans superficially, removes the contaminants, doesn't bite like a regular cutter, and you're able to clean it 100% back. Now the whole idea here is this paint's rough, you can hear that. But once we're through with this, it'll be smooth and glossy all over again. Not because we waxed it, but because we cleaned it. Look at that. Now if you guys want to use a machine, use a direct drive, single drive, rotary drive polisher, because you're not waxing, so you don't have to worry about swirls and stuff like that. You're just cleaning. So I didn't take off any clear, just cleaned it. Okay, look how beautiful that came out. Now check this out. I'm gonna put my finger over it. Okay, there's no wax here. All I did was clean it. Now you can wax it. When you wax a paint job, you put a kind of lubrication, a kind of seal over it that'll protect it from the environment and stuff. But this stuff simply cleans it. So if we left this hood alone, say for another year or two, you'll see this will start to crumble and peel.